Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies and Enchanted Paper Cottage over on TikTok. I am here today with an unboxing from Craspire. So Craspire asked me to pick out some products. Once again, I've done unboxings from them before and I'm so excited to show you guys these. But before I get into it, I just wanted to give you guys some information about Craspire. They will be linked down below in case any of these items are interesting to you. And I have a coupon code for you guys as well. It will be Lace10. So all of this information will be down below and I will link the items as well. But let's get into it because I decided to focus on a certain project with everything that I picked out here, and most of them will be geared towards that. So let's start with those items. So you guys know that my favorite way to coffee dye is to use stencils, and it takes less time and less effort and creates such an interesting look. But if you guys have watched my videos on the stencil coffee dyeing, you'll know that pretty much every time I do it, I use the same stencils over and over again. So I wanted to get some more stencils and try out some new designs. So I picked out 3 sets of stencils from Craspire, and in the next video we are going to be testing these for stencil coffee dyeing. So if you guys have been interested in trying this out, you guys can see how these stencils work, and if you like it, you can use my coupon code to get some of these stencils, which I'm going to go over prices with you guys as well. And with the even without the coupon code, it is less expensive than the dyes that I got before. But with the coupon code, it's going to be a great way to try something new and experiment if you're interested in trying this technique. But let's start with this. So this was just one dye, but I really liked the design. And let me go ahead and figure out how to open this. I think this is going to be great for coffee dyeing, but I also think that this will be great for using, what's it called? Can't think of it. I can't believe I can't think of it. The texture paste. I don't think that's what it's called, but because these are smaller designs, I think they will look really cool. And I like that they have like border type designs here. So here is this right here. To me, this looks mid-century. I like this as well. This would be good at the top of a page or something. I like these because this could be in the corner of the page. This design here, not my favorite. I love this. You could use this all together if you're using texture paste, or you could just use the middle or just the outside. Love this as a corner as well, and I think this one's so pretty too. So I'm probably gonna use this in a stencil coffee dye project, but I also want to use texture paste with this. So I got that. This was 99 cents. So can't get much better than that for a dye, because I've tried going to the dollar store to look for a dye like this. I mean, a stencil, sorry, a stencil like this. And this is just something so versatile. You can use a whole sheet. You can use parts of it as well. But I'm excited to try it out to see how it turns out. And you guys can come along for that too, if you'd like. Now these stencils are a lot smaller. There's a stack of them right here. And this set was $5 and a penny, so $5.01. But I like this. Let me move this and see if the glare goes away. So I like this design. These are smaller stencils, so keep that in mind. There's this one. I like this one. These kind of remind me of tiles. I really like this one as well. I think stencil coffee dyeing with this is going to be really cute. And then there's this one. This is a little bit more of a modern design, in my opinion. And then there's this one. And this one. And this one right here. I really like the little scallops around the edge. Ooh, this is a nice one. I think that'll look really good with stencil coffee dyeing. This one's cute too. I like this. It seems very intricate. So there are quite a few in here. Let me actually see if we can grab something that's kind of like a piece of paper. This is a folder. It's a little bit larger than a piece of paper, but I want to see how many can fit on here. So it looks like you could just put it in the middle of a page. I don't know if you guys can see that. And we'll try this, but you can just put it into the middle of a page and it'll coffee dye the middle. So if you wanted to do more than that, you'd have to move the stencil or use more than one, which I'm gonna try doing that because there are some designs that I like more than others. Like I love these two designs, and there are ones that are not really my style, like this one. So I think if I did this and I just put one on the side here where it's not taking up the whole design, it'll still look really cool. But we're gonna go ahead and try that next time and see how it works out. But let me go ahead and count to see how many are in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 dies in here for $5. All right, now there are these larger ones. And let's go ahead and open this. This was $5.65. So if you use my coupon code, you can get 10% off of $5.65 for this set. All right, I think this is so pretty. It is very delicate. So I think it's going to be perfect for coffee dyeing, because with coffee dyeing, you're not really touching the dye at all. I think that's so pretty. And I think this one's really pretty as well. And I actually want to try avocado dyeing with these as well. I know that it's not going to turn out as good as coffee dyeing, but we might as well experiment. So I really want to try that. I think this is so pretty. And then there's this one, also extremely pretty. I love this. I love how intricate the details are and how thin the dye is. So it's just gonna look really pretty. This one is so pretty as well. I think this set is definitely my favorite. And I love that it's different. Like, this design is small and this one fills up the page. So with stencil coffee dyeing, it's gonna look very random, which I love. And I like these types of designs where it's just rows and it fills up the entire page. I have a couple of these types in my last set and I absolutely love them. And this one, just a very, an ordinary piece, but so detailed. I think these are going to be really fun to experiment with. And then there's this. So I do notice that some of the pieces are still needing to be weeded out. So make note of that. But they don't look like they're super attached or anything. This piece is. So I'm gonna have to go through everything, and before I see, most of them they're just falling out, but I'm gonna have to go through them before we do the next video, so we don't have any parts that are still in. Although with coffee dyeing, it doesn't really matter. All right, but I really love this set right here. Lots of intricate dyes. It'd be great for coffee dyeing. All right, so there's that. And then I also got this tag punch because I have seen it. I saw it at a Hobby Lobby, but I didn't want to yet. I was kind of on the fence. So I figured I would try it out. This is very secure in here. The staples, this seems old. The staples are very rusted. All right. Yeah, this seems like it's been, I mean, it's brand new, but it seems like it's been probably sitting here for a while. As you can see, there's some color changes there. And the way this works is you cut a piece of paper or cardstock to be 2 inches wide, 2.5 inches wide, or 1.5 inches wide. And then you put it into these different slots and it punches a top. And what is appealing to me about this is that you can make really long tags or short tags. and I really want to make long tags, especially long skinny ones. So I'm excited to do that. I think it would also be interesting to do a tag that has both sides cut. So we'll try that too. And it seems very easy to press. And that's something that I look for in punches as well. But we'll go ahead and try that in a future video. This punch right here was $14.09. So $14.09. And then we have this right here. I know it's really hard to see what this is. This die set was $5.21. And what this is a die set that cuts out different expressions of eyes. So we're just going to quickly look at this now. I'm going to do a video where I try out all the different dies. So, see, this is eyelashes right here. And this is candy on it. So, I'm not sure if this is like related to anything. But I got it for the eyes. Here are some eyebrows. I think these are eyes and those are the top eyelashes and the bottom eyelashes. And then there's these eyelashes, and yeah. But what I wanted to do with this is use them for collaging in my collage book, because I like things with lots of expression, and I feel like these eyes will accomplish that. So we're going to experiment with this and see how they turn out. But I hope you guys liked seeing what I got in this haul or in this unboxing. And as I mentioned before, all of their information will be down below, and you can use my coupon code Lace10 if you're interested in anything. And I will just have a link to their website as well in case you want to look at any of their products. But I will be back to experiment with the stencils and to experiment with these dies. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye, everyone.